the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Now this is very important instruction. Find the ratio of their surface area. Now you understand it's about moon and the earth. Both are in a shape of a sphere. They are asking us to compare or find the ratio of their surface area. Now as per the given instruction in the question, they say the diameter of moon is 1/4 the diameter of earth. So dm I represented for diameter of moon and de is for representing diameter of earth. As you know, for finding the surface area, we need to find its radius. So radius is equal to diameter by 2. Now there are a number of ways to find it out. I am showing one of them. So now since m is considered for moon and e for earth, so here you can write radius of moon is equal to diameter of moon by 2. Similarly, you can also write radius of earth is equal to diameter of earth by 2. So this is very important point here. So over here, if you observe this step, we know the radius is divided by 2. So if I divide the actual equation out here, how does it turn out to be? dm by 2 is nothing but your radius of moon is equal to 1/4. de by 2 is nothing but your radius of earth. Now this is your very important point. See, radius of moon. Radius of moon is 1/4 the radius of the earth. Okay, so let me write it neat for you. Radius of moon is 1/4 radius of earth. Now they are asking to compare the ratio of their surface area. Now surface area of moon by surface area of earth. So we know surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Now here the important point. Okay, so we know the radius of moon is rm square by 4 pi r e square, e for radius of earth. Now here 4 pi and 4 pi you can cancel. Here there is a catch. We know the value of rm is 1 by 4 re. Just check this out. 1 by 4 re is the value of rm, as we have already pointed out here. So I have substituted. You have a square. Down here it's already in re square. So what do we get right here? 1 by 4 square is 1 square is 1, pi 4 square is 16. You have re square divided by re square. Re and re gets cancelled. The final answer is 1 by 16. 1:2. So what is the ratio obtained? The ratio obtained is 1:16. The ratio of the